Welcome back to my channel, Learning with Fun. Dear students, please subscribe this channel and like the videos. So the today topic is to draw a star. Look here, to draw a star, I have written the command CLS screen 7 because we can draw everything on a graphic screen. Screen 7 is a medium resolution screen. P-set is to set a point on a screen. It is the center of the screen. Then I have draw a triangle using this one. This statement, draw E40, F40, L40. You must remember the star, the direction star. People used to call it Theo Baba ka star. Thank you. So, then P-set and so on. I'll copy it and paste it over here. So to run this program, I will press function key F5. Look, there is a star in front of us. There are two triangles. One is upward and another one is downward, crossing, intersecting each other to draw a star. So my dear students, it's an easy way to draw a star using draw statement. So this is the command. These are the codings to draw a star. I hope you must understand the concept to draw various figures using draw statement. It's easy to draw a circle and a concentric circles. My next videos will be regarding the box and a box well and some more programs regarding QBasic. Dear students, do your best, practice a lot and score good marks. May the dear Lord bless you a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.